Alright guys, good morning. We are back with another episode. Today we are headed out to my pond that is about an hour from here. You guys have probably seen a couple of videos of it. There's some early season videos of it last year, and it's been loaded up for the last like 2 weeks. Yesterday they were in there pretty heavy, and today is going to be the same weather conditions as yesterday. So we're heading out there, gonna try and take care of these geese. It's a good sized pond, it's about 9 acres. There's a cornfield all the way around it that just got cut a couple weeks ago. So we're gonna get out there, set up the panel blinds, set out a bunch of floaters. We'll catch you guys out there. Shooting time. Got all the floaters set out, got the blind brushed in, and hopefully we get some birds start flying here. There were some geese in here already and some wood ducks, so we're gonna get in the blind, hopefully shoot some birds here soon. You take left, I take right. Yep. Let's shoot them.
Shot twice, my gun
fucked up. I hit one of them, they just kept flying. There it is. Time to take this guy out. There we go. He did. That got really country western. Band check. Negative.
I know I shot twice.
Dude. This thing is gigantic. Look at the size of this thing, dude. Like, that's a big one too, but it's not even like...
Didn't go 20.
Didn't go 20. Why you trying to steal my decoy, dude? Three shots and a finisher. Coming in.
And you wait.
Landed out in the middle. Oh, they're coming. Yep, they're down.
Get them one. Let's see if they swim in.
Might as well see if they swim in. That's a haul. That's like an 80-yard shot. Coming in. That's fine. Ready? Take them. Got one more guy coming. He'll get his 3. Oh, two right here. Where? Right on front. Yep. Oh, nice.
Twofer.
Jesus Christ.
One more. Give me one more.
I'll cripple. That's fine. You just need one. I got it.
Right over.
Hey! 10-minute limit, buddy.
I didn't even.
Woo!
I didn't even smoke a whole cig. Get out of here, bro.
Yes!
Get out of here, bro.
Yes!
Get out of here.
What time did you get here?
Maybe
8:05 is when you got here.
Yeah.
that was awesome. Man, those birds just wanted in like nobody's business. That was one of the best goose hunts that I've had, as far as like being right where they want to be. I've had some good goose shoots where, you know, the birds work in, but you really gotta work for it. We didn't have to do anything to these geese. They've wanted in there for the last 2 weeks, and all we did was just show up while they were still using it. And I think tomorrow we're gonna go back and do the same thing. But yeah, 20 minutes for the first 6, and then Damien showed up 30 minutes later, and he ended up shooting he shot his 3 in 5 minutes while wearing his scrubs from work. And that's just nuts. I mean, we were in and out pretty quick. We had everything packed up and we were out of there at 8:45. So doesn't get much better than that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe for more videos like this. I appreciate you guys watching, and we will catch you on the next video.